Branding is extremely important online. If you don't have a brand, really, then you're just competing with all the other schleps who are typically just selling the same old garbage from China. Brand is massively important. But how do you go about creating a brand? Well, in this video, I've got some great resources for you to build a brand for your e-commerce store. I think you're really going to like it. If you do, make sure you give us a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions for me, comment below. Let me show you what they are. First one is called Death to the Stockphoto.com. Death to the Stockphoto.com. Let's just get that to that. There you go. This is an amazing place to get images. Like most stock images are kind of shit, but this is fan-freaking-tastic. There's some amazing images here to really make your brand stand out. And the thing I really like about it is you can search in numerous different ways for the images. So when you're putting a brand together, oftentimes you'll want to search even just on the main colors that's in the image because you want them to match your brand colors. Well, you can do that. You can do that sort of thing. Very, very cool website. You get a free 14-day trial. Well worth checking it out. Okay, well worth checking it out. I also use as well Envato Elements. So I use this tons for icons, website icons. Very, very cool way of getting those just done, all ready to go. I also use it for music as well. Like any music I want to have, you can get royalty-free music on here. Super cool as well. And it's got loads and loads of templates for things like Shopify websites as well. Again, really, really great information on here and very, very easy to search as well. So Envato Elements, I use this heaps. Next, type-department.com. Type-department.com. Typography is very, very important. The fonts that you use on your website can make a massive difference to the readability of it, but also to the way it looks and also to the people it appeals to. Okay, so here's a amazing resource for all sorts of different fonts that allow you to really do something very, very special with your website and make your website stand out. Two of my fonts that we're using on a new site have both come from here. So most people just use Helvetica and Arial, Verdana, shit like that. Come here, use something different, make your website stand out. Very, very cool. If you want to get inspiration for your brand, you can use this one. There you go, Creative Market. So this is all sorts of cool stuff, all sorts of cool stuff. Vector graphics, Shopify themes, product mockups. Like there's some insanely good stuff here. I wonder if how far we'll be able to go in. For instance, look, if I just want to get, if I'm launching some wine and I want to have a great image, then I can just get it all there. There's so many different things and you can alter these and do whatever you want with them. So again, some incredible good resources here for you as well. And then as far as inspiration goes, here's a place to get inspiration for your next branding idea. So this website goes through all the top websites that are online, aggregates them here, and then lets you actually go through them and look at them and see how they've branded their websites to give you ideas for how you can brand your website. Very, very good. There's some, and it's also really good as well for ideas for products as well. Some cool stuff there. So I use that heaps, go and get ideas, just have a look around, see what's going on. And then a lot of people don't really understand how to put together a branding document. So I have this for you. That's exactly how you put together a branding document. So how the word mark is used, how the iconography is used, the colors that are used, the fonts that are used, how the logo gets used, etc., etc., etc. Okay. So it's a really good resource to actually understand from a design point of view what you want to try and get to as far as a cohesive brand for your business. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.